Hey guys, this week's lesson looks a little complicated from the instructions, but it's really not. We're actually going to go with our Titanic theme again. The first step, we're going to explore the slides from last week. Okay, so this ThingLink article that we did last week, we're going to use the information from this ThingLink article again. Step 2, we're going to choose 3 of these boxes, okay? Don't get confused by the whole choice board. What is a choice? Think of it like this way. Pick it, so number 1, you have to do the box with the star on it, this one right here, and then pick 2 other boxes to be the questions that you'll answer on the next 2 slides. So like I said, the one with the star, you'll have to answer on slide 5. And then the other 2 questions that you choose, you'll put here on choice 2 and choice 3. Okay, and there's another copy of the questions if you would like to refer back to that. Okay, so make sure that you are still typing your best 6th grade writing. Okay, complete sentences, restate the question, use evidence from the article, to support your answer. Proper capitalization, spelling, grammar, punctuation are all things that I'm looking for, okay? So step 1, ThingLink article. Step 2, pick 2 of these boxes plus the one that is starred. Answer the starred question on this slide, and then answer the next 2 questions that you chose on this slide. And that's it for this week, guys. I'll see you on Zoom on Monday.